In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in Qatar Airways online and download your boarding pass in 2026. If you want to save time at the airport and make your travel day a little smoother, online check-in is one of the easiest things you can do before your flight. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go on the Qatar Airways website and what information you'll need to complete the process. First, go to the official Qatar Airways website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site before entering any travel details. This is especially important whenever you're checking in online, since you'll be accessing your booking information. From the homepage, move your cursor over the Booking Details section. This menu gives you access to several options related to your trip, and it's where you'll find the tools you need to manage your reservation and start check-in. When the menu appears, click on Manage or Check-in. This will take you to the area of the website where Qatar Airways lets you review your booking and complete pre-flight actions online. On the next page, click on Check-in. This opens the online check-in form where you'll enter the details linked to your reservation. Make sure you have your booking information ready before you begin so the process goes smoothly. Now type in your booking reference. This is the code connected to your flight reservation, and it must be entered exactly as it appears on your confirmation. After that, enter your last name in the appropriate field. Be careful with spelling here, because even a small mismatch can prevent the system from finding your booking. Once both fields are filled in, click on Check-in to continue. The website will then locate your reservation and move you to the final part of the process. Depending on your itinerary, you may be guided through a few confirmation screens before check-in is completed, so just follow the prompts on screen carefully. When everything is finished, click Complete and download your digital boarding pass. You may also have the option to add it directly to your phone's mobile wallet, which can be very convenient if you prefer not to print anything. If you do use the mobile version, it's still a good idea to take a screenshot or keep the file easily accessible in case your internet connection is weak at the airport. And that's it. You've successfully checked in online for your Qatar Airways flight and downloaded your boarding pass. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make your check-in process quick and stress-free.